fickle heart. Where would I be if it weren't for your grace, your strength? Faithful is your mighty hand, drawing me close with your tender kindness, your mercy that saves. Abba, Father, I need you more of your strength, less of my own. Holy Spirit, teach my heart to walk in your power.
Okay, so I arrived in Tampere, and this city is called Manchester, Finland. Now I'm meeting up with my friend and we are heading for a short walk in the nature.
Wayward is my fickle yes, prone to waver in the face of trial.
Oh no. So where are we going?
We're
What's the
heading
city?
to
Zero.
yeah, a small village
Okay.
in the Finnish countryside.
Your grace is my strength.
Okay, here we are at Otamuskavila. Does it have a name already?
Not yet.
Not yet.
We haven't decided it yet.
Yeah, something related with the light blue.
Okay. Park. 2 kilometers. Let's go then.
They're poisonous, but they smell
In a
the
way.
flowers.
Wow, lots of flies. Okay, so you should keep it.
Yeah, you want to be as natural as possible.
Ah, okay.
You just want to find another way.
In the river.
Many berries.
Yeah,
Oh, here.
probably that way.
Oh no, this mosquito. So annoying. Oh. Should we write something?
At least your name.
Yeah. Vieraskirja.
So there you go. I think they usually they can name the place where
Okay, they're from
14? Actually 13. 13, yeah. Today's
13.
Yeah.
So many mosquitoes. Daiki. And should I write Helsinki?
Actually, if you want to,
Japanese.
yeah, it's something, yeah,
Japan.
that must be a record.
Yeah. This year.
Yeah.
Very season. So it's when is it? July. Oh.
Starting in July,
Okay.
going all the way.
These berries. What's this?
Ooh, there. Is that the
The snail?
beautiful.
That's long.
Yeah. Do you want a new pet for yourself?
And we actually believe this thing that if the snail has its like horns out, it's gonna be like good weather tomorrow.
Ah, okay. So does
Good to know.
it have long?
And now we're here, we might want to check also if we can find like with the 4 leaves.
4 leaves.
Just a quick.
No, but these are ketunleiba. You can eat them.
Which one?
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
this is
can
like
eat. Really? Should I eat? Okay. I'm eating. This one is blueberry.
Yeah.
And this one is lingonberry.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yes, this has been the, the whipping place.
So punishment.
Torturing
Yeah.
punishment place.
And it says something about men get 40 punches and the women get 30.
Maximum 30.
Yeah. And it has to be like public. I think that there's a crowd watching.
Eh,
They're hitting you to the back.
Yeah, it was a like punishment for the
With a
crimes.
creep.
Crime, yeah.
Yeah, like if you had money, or not money but like something related to money, you could do that. But if you were not able to give the money, then you get whipped.
It happened here. Ah. Go this way.
This might go actually like
To
under the. Let's try.
yes. Nice jacket.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Strawberries. Oh, they are running. I wonder what they can get.
Trout.
Ah, trout.
Salmon?
Like salmon. So, this is still operating? Or
Probably not.
not?
Yeah, that's a small thing.
It says Nokia.
Yeah. Cables.
I'm in love with you and I miss you. I need you by my side. I'm in love with you and I miss you. I need you. We waste time. I'm in love with you. I need you. I'm in love with you.